controlled. C line shows that this kit is good kit, not expired, not Kharban, not invalid. Understand this? Huh? So if the urine is pregnant or not pregnant, alatul C line should be there. If you don't see C, then do it again. Throw it, take a new kit and do it again. Get the idea or no? Got the idea?
Yes.
Again. Whenever you put urine here, C, line C, khat C, lazim should be test positive, test negative, C, lazim maujood. Get the idea? Now T. T is the line that contains, now listen carefully, T is the line that contains antibody. What? Antibody against HCG. HCG is antigen. Line contains antibody. So when the urine comes and it touches this line, there is antigen antibody reaction and the line becomes prominent. Wow. Okay? So this line will become prominent if the urine contains HCG. Get the idea? T means test. Test yani this line contains antibodies against HCG. Huh? This line contains. So when the urine will come, this urine will react with this line, and there will be antigen antibody reaction. And if the urine contains HCG, this line will become bar. This line will appear. Okay? Huh? Now my question. Understand this question? This is procedure very easy. Just do nothing. Put this on the table. Put 2 or 3 drops of urine. Bas. Wait for the line. 1 line or 2 lines. Now, natija. Masalan, you perform the test. You see 2 lines, yani C and the T, 2 lines in the kit. What is the meaning of this?
Pregnancy.
No. It means pregnancy test positive. Understand what I'm saying? It does not mean pregnancy. It means pregnancy test is positive. This test can be true, can be false. Yani, it can be a true result, true positive, yani pregnancy, you are correct. But it can be a false result, yani false positive test. This question I will ask in the exam. False positive. Masalan, I perform the test, 2 lines. Yani test is positive. I am not sure is it true or is it false. I will see the detail of the patient. Tarikh al-Mar. I see the patient. Tarikh al-Marid. Okay? And I see here age 8 years. This girl is 8 years. 8 years yani she is too young. She is not married. There is no, because before Minaki there is no chance of pregnancy. Okay? Understand this? Masalan, I perform the test 2 lines. But when I see the paper, 80 years. 80 years too old. After menopause, there is no chance of pregnancy. Masalan, I perform the test 2 lines. But when I see the paper, male, he is a male patient. There is no chance of pregnancy. It means that the test is false positive. Remember, there are some cancers. There are some saratan. And in these cancers, there are some chemicals produced. Okay? And the chemicals, they have their structure, only structure. They are not SCG. But their chemical structure is same as SCG. Get my idea? They are produced from some cancer. Masalan, choriocarcinoma. There is a cancer name of the cancer, choriocarcinoma. Masalan, there are some liver cancers. Cancers of the liver. Masalan, there are some testicular cancer. Cancer of the testis. That is why in males it is positive. Cancer. Okay? In males, yeah. So, the chemical is not SCG. Chemical is, structure is same as SCG. That is why you are watching two lines, but it is not pregnancy. You get the idea, no? Okay, now it means that the positive result can be two. True positive and false positive. Did you understand the causes? I will ask it in the exam. Now, you perform the test. Only one line, not two lines. Huh? Only one line. What is the natija? No. No. Huh? No. No. If there is only one line, you have to see which line. Is it C or is it T? Understand what I'm saying? One line only. It can be C only or it can be D only. If it is one line, only C, it means that pregnancy test is negative. It doesn't mean she is not pregnant. She can be pregnant. If the concentration of HCG is very great in the urine, test will be negative, but she is pregnant. You understand what I'm saying? So this is not a confirmatory test. Very confirmatory, but not absolutely confirmatory. Okay? So we will say only the test is negative. Get the idea, no? But if one line, T, not C, there is no C, only D, it means that the test is invalid. Kit Kharwan, throw it and do it again. It means that there can be four results. Of these four results, negative, invalid, true positive, false. Did you understand all? Any question? It's a very good question. The answer is, it is written on the kit. C and T is written on the kit. Get the idea, no? Come here. See this? Come here. See? C and T. Okay? Okay, now, let me finish my topic, then I will answer your question. Now, listen. Did you understand the procedure, everything? Okay? Please, I request you, this is a very easy experiment. And you know my nature. I want to give easy experiment in the exam. I want to give. Okay? So, inshallah ta'ala, I will give many of these. Because it's very easy. You don't have to do anything. Just put some urine and just wait. True or no? So please perform the test very carefully. Now I am giving you 4 kits. This kit is new. So you will use this kit again. Where is the dropper? You will use this kit again, and I am giving you 3 more kits. Because I think there is no need for everybody to perform, because it is easy. One person can perform and you can see the result. But in the exam, everybody has to do it. Okay? So, procedure is very simple, so no need to waste the kit, because I want to save the kit for the exam. Okay? So listen. Keep 3 or 4 things in your mind. Number 1, this urine is dirty. Dirty urine. Urine is always dirty. Always wear the lab coat. Okay? And close this button, because this can spill over your clothes. Number 1. Number 2, because urine is dirty, wear the gloves. Lazim. Do not perform it without gloves. Number 3, open the garura only when you need. Don't leave it open, otherwise it can. Because you are playing all the time. You are young, I know that. Yeah. Okay. So if you drop the garura, there will be 2 loss. One is your loss. Your clothes dirty. One is my loss. Because pregnant urine is very difficult. Okay? The urine is arranged from the hospital. Very difficult to find. Okay? So if no urine sample in the... one thing more. In the exam, I'm not sure I will give you this urine. I can give you non-pregnant urine. I can give you a solution. I put some chemical, make the color is same like urine, but it's not urine. Okay? So I have told you all the possibilities, answers. Negative, invalid, true, positive, false. This true and false you cannot find out, because for this, lazim tarikh al-mari. So no problem. You just write positive or negative. Understand this or no? Okay, whenever you need, open the Garuda. Otherwise, close it, ala tool, otherwise it can drop. When you finish, put the, close the qata and put this in the talaq, the backside. Okay? Last thing, do not leave this dropper inside the Garuda. Whenever you finish, throw in the garbage. In the last, clean your table, throw everything in the garbage, because you know this is a dirty experiment. You have to, we are Muslim, we have to take care of the land. Okay? Otherwise, this can dirty, because you go for prayer afterwards. This can make your clothes dirty. Okay? So be very, very careful. Now, 4 kids, make 4 groups and perform the test. 5 minutes are enough. So no need to stay here unnecessary. Perform the test and